Most people think DeFi platforms are too complex or risky, but here's the surprising truth. Some platforms are actually designed to simplify yield farming and maximize returns with less effort. Convex Finance is one of them. Convex Finance is a decentralized finance platform built on top of Curve Finance. Its main goal is to help users earn higher rewards by optimizing how liquidity and tokens are staked within the Curve ecosystem. Instead of manually staking tokens on Curve, Convex lets you deposit them once and automatically boost your rewards. This happens because Convex pools user tokens together and uses special mechanics to increase yield. The main benefit is higher returns. Users earn trading fees from Curve, plus additional Convex tokens as incentives. This can significantly increase total yield compared to using Curve directly. Most people get this wrong by thinking Convex requires deep technical knowledge. In reality, the interface is simple. You connect your wallet, choose a pool, deposit tokens, and start earning. The platform handles the complex logic behind the scenes. Another major advantage is governance power. Convex holders can vote on Curve decisions, influencing which pools receive rewards. This gives users a voice in the ecosystem. However, there are real risks. Smart contract vulnerabilities are always possible in DeFi. There is also impermanent loss when providing liquidity, meaning your token value may change based on price movements. Gas fees can also be high, especially during network congestion. This makes Convex less suitable for small investments. It works best for users with larger capital. In conclusion, Convex Finance is a powerful tool for advanced DeFi users who want to maximize yield on Curve. It simplifies complex strategies, but still carries risk. If you understand DeFi basics and accept volatility, Convex can be a strong addition to your portfolio. Subscribe for more real-world crypto platform reviews before you invest.